alternative for shore-based LNG plants. By producing LNG offshore, a new era has started. The game is changing. LNG tankers will have to berth alongside the FLNG unit's manifolds to take on the LNG produced on board. Although this is an operation similar to normal berthing of LNG tankers, the unsheltered environmental conditions and the impact of waves can be a challenge. This animation clarifies how the rotor tug can contribute to the safety and reliability of these operations. In the standard procedure developed for this kind of operations, an amended push-pull method has been developed. Two rotor tugs sailing bow first establish a tow line connection, one at the bow and one at the stern, always safe. The tanker is brought alongside and the tugs will move into the side of the tanker to push her against the fenders of the FLNG unit. Pushing into the side with standard stern drive tugs can only be done in good weather conditions. Maintaining an acceptable footprint with a stern drive tug is an impossible challenge during adverse weather conditions, with increased risk of hull damage to the tanker or the tug fendering. When the significant wave height increases, the unique propulsion configuration enables the rotor tug to keep position while applying forces on the hull of the tanker in the designated area. The risk of ventilation is minimized by the low position of the thrusters. If we have a closer look at the standard procedure developed for berthing LNG tankers alongside, and we combine this with the unique characteristics of the rotor tug, we would like to propose an alternative berthing procedure. This procedure enables the pilot to continue working in increased wave heights. We call this procedure rotoring, or indirect towing at zero speed. Over the past 12 years, Tug has developed this procedure especially for the rotor. This enhanced procedure for offshore berthing has been developed with the use of render recovery winches and synthetic wires, and enables the rotor tug to assist on a short wire length. The tanker is brought alongside the FLNG unit, while the tugs stay connected center forward and center aft on a short wire. When she's in position and ready to be pushed against the fenders, the rotor tugs will push against a short tow line. The rotor tugs are in full control of the vessel while remaining inside the width of the tanker at all times and don't need to be repositioned to transfer forces onto the tanker. This alternative procedure mitigates the risk of damaging the hull of the tanker or the fenders of the tug and is only possible with the unique rotor tug configuration. The tanker can be brought alongside without even touching her.